Hi, it's Louise with Louise McCare, and I am thrilled to be here, and I'm especially happy to be following Donna, who is certainly our guest of special honor today. Now, I met Donna one time before I left California for North Carolina, and I really had a great time meeting her and her husband, John. And Donna invited me to my first collaboration as a Christmas in July just over a year ago, and since then, she's been an amazing supporter and friend. So I'll be creating 3 jar lids in honor of your 3-year anniversary on YouTube. So thank you to Aishu for inviting me to this collaboration, and let's get the show on the road. This is the consistency. What I have here is a Festival Green, Athena by this little piggy. Now this is something new that I'm trying out today because I didn't want to make up another piggy. And it is Enchanted's Shimmer Magenta. So I'm going to do this in place of the brulee I had used. And then I've got my combination of Amsterdam's Kaput Mortem Violet with Carbon Black by Golden. And then this is my Payne's Gray combination between Golden and Arteza. So let me get the pillow down and we'll get started. Now I don't need much paint. It's kind of silly. I have to have enough to get to the edges. And then I will be resining these because when these resin up, they are really pretty. And just to point out, I've put the tape on the lip, and when I peel this off, it comes off perfectly clean after it's been resined. So it's really, really good. If you'd like to see more on that, video 248 shows how I tape it and how I remove it after resining. And also sometime in the near future, I will be doing a video about how I resin because people have asked about that too. Okay, let's get started. Lay down my colors. Now this is Festival. What is it called? Festival Green. I'm calling it Peacock Pearl for some reason. Festival Green. Now this is Athena by this little piggy. Another beautiful color. I'm just trying to burn this up. I mean, you see how much I have in here. I'm trying to use it up before I leave. So I don't want to waste it. Here is that DecoArt, which is, I guess it's an interference color because it'll shimmer up as like a purple, I think. I put some on a piece of paper before I used this, and just to see what it would look like. So we'll see how it works with this combination. This is the combination. This is my, I just said what this is. Kaput Mortem Violet with black. And it is really amazing how pretty this color combination is. And my little bit of Payne's Gray, as you can see how much I have in here. I mean, I try to use things to the last drop. I reconstitute. Half of this is going to blow off anyway. And for the inquiring minds, I do have a 2-ounce cup that's sitting on top of that Noosa cup. So that's supporting the lid right now. I'm not level. Okay, so I'm going to put in some black and white cell activator. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. This is when stirring things up is good. Black and white. So you may notice, but I had to splice in 2 blowouts here because I deleted one of the videos by mistake. Nice. I was kind of reckless with the blowout. Wow, this one's really good. Got my edges already covered, had enough paint. Let's give it a spin. We're a little wampus, but you know what? Hey, maybe that's just the way it's supposed to be. Because honestly, these are probably just going to be Christmas gifts. And I'm not too worried about perfection. I think they're going to look cool no matter what happens to them. Actually, this one is, I think, probably the prettiest of them all. Very pretty. So everyone, FYI, I'm going to cut out the cleanup portion here in a second. I think this thing is ready. So, everybody, this is where this guy is. Look at that. Really nice. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Special thanks to Aishu for inviting me to this collaboration, and also thank you to Donna for being such a great collaborator and friend over the last year and a half. And here are the final resin results. And like I said, I will be doing a resining video on this in the future. I'll be linking my jar lid playlist at the end. And right now, let's see what Aishu has in store for us at Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care until next time.